explorador. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? ¿Estás bien? ¿Estás más o menos? ¿Estás mal? Yo estoy muy bien. I am in the kitchen. Yo estoy en la cocina. Repite, cocina. I come into the kitchen whenever I am hungry. Cuando tengo hambre. So, we have 3 very important meals in the day. When you first wake up in the morning, you have el desayuno. Around noon, you have el almuerzo. And then your last meal of the evening is la cena. And if you get hungry in between, you can always have a snack, una merienda. Right now, it's time for mi almuerzo. Where I come from, our biggest meal of the day is el almuerzo. You can have things like pollo. Repite, pollo. Excelente. Or you can have pescado. Repite, pescado. You could also have carne. Repite, carne. You could have arroz. Repite, arroz. Papas. Repite, papas. You could have espagueti. Repite, espagueti. You could also have sopa or ensalada, sopa or ensalada right before your big meal. And we always like to have either pan, or plátanos. Plátanos are almost like a banana, but you have to cook it. Plátanos, muy delicioso. What kind of foods do you like to eat? I'll see you again soon. Hasta pronto. Adiós.